Hello my lovely subscribers and welcome in today's video. So today we are going to look at most of my English words that I use every day. Once again, most of my English words that I use every day. Lero tugenda kutunulira ku bigambo ebimu byentera okukozesa buli lunaku. Of course, here at Benny we learn English and Luganda. Oh, before I forget, if you're new to this channel, please click the notification icon, the subscription action, so that you don't miss out any of my videos. Clicking the subscription button such that you don't miss videos zange zemba posting. Here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Okay, so let's start. So number one, most of the times I use this phrase: had a wonderful night. I had a wonderful night. So most of the times I use this phrase referring to yesterday's night. So I had a wonderful night, implying that inze nabadde n'ekiro ekirungi. Inze nabadde n'ekiro ekirungi. And mostly I use it in the morning hours. Like someone asks you, how was your night yesterday? I had a wonderful night. Okay, so this I can give you an example. For instance, you can say, yesterday I had a wonderful night. Yesterday I had a wonderful night. This in Luganda is ejo inze nabadde n'ekiro ekirungi. Ejo inze nabadde n'ekiro ekirungi. Okay, let's go to phrase number 2. I need more time. I need more time. I need more time. This is mostly used when you're requesting for more work hours. So I need more time. And this in Luganda is inze netagayo akadde akalala. Inze netagayo akadde akalala. Inze netagayo akadde akalala. Okay, let's have an example. I need more time to finish the work. I need more time to finish the work. So, and this is inze netagayo akadde akalala malirize emirimu. Inze netagayo akadde akalala malirize emirimu. Okay, the next phrase. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. I'm leaving now. Inze invaawo kati. Inze invaawo kati. An example. Ben, I'm leaving now. Ben, I'm leaving now. You're like telling someone, Ben, I'm leaving now. So Ben inze invaawo kati. Ben inze invaawo kati. Okay, let's go to the next phrase. I also use how do you make it? How do you make it? How do you make it? So this is mostly used when you're asking about time. So what is the time? Most of the times you might say, how do you make it? For instance, you are in class, so you say, how do you make it? This in Luganda is sawa ziri meka. Sawa ziri meka. For instance, you can ask Peter, how do you make it? Peter, how do you make it? So you can reply, it is 11 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock depending on the time. So how do you make it is mostly used when you're asking about time. Okay, the next phrase is play it cool. Play it cool. So this implies that to act in a calm way. To act in a calm way. Or to be calm when something is distorting you. To keep calm or to be calm when you're facing a challenge. Chitwale impola. Chitwale impola, like taking it slow. Chitwale impola. So this in Luganda is ye wakuvuma chitwale impola. Ye wakuvuma chitwale impola. Okay. I am very excited. I am very excited. I'm very excited, implying that you are happy about something to happen. I am very excited. And this in Luganda is Inze nchamukiridde nnyo. Inze nchamukiridde nnyo. Okay, let's have an example. I am very excited about the party. I am very excited about the party. Inze nchamukiridde nnyo olw'akabaga. Inze nchamukiridde nnyo olw'akabaga. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy. I feel dizzy is being in a state where you're not normal. Like you're weak, your body is weak and you don't feel energy inside you. So I feel dizzy. You can use that phrase. This in Luganda is Inze mpulira obunafu. Inze mpulira obunafu. Or someone can say Inze indi munafu. Inze indi munafu. So I feel dizzy. Inze indi munafu. Let's have an example. You can say, I have overworked and I feel dizzy. I have overworked and I feel dizzy. Inze nkoze nnyo era mpulira obunafu. Inze nkoze nnyo era mpulira obunafu. Okay, let's proceed. So delicious. So delicious. So delicious. So delicious means something is sweet, something tastes very well. Something sweet or something tastes very well. An example. The pizza is so delicious. The pizza is so delicious. So delicious in Luganda is ekintu nga kiwooma nnyo. Ekintu nga kiwooma nnyo. So the pizza is so delicious is pizza ewooma nnyo. Pizza ewooma nnyo. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. Sleep tight. So sleep tight is an English phrase which implies or means good night. Good night. Sula bulungi. Sula bulungi. So we looked at common phrases in English and Luganda. If you want to know more about this, refer to the video above. So greetings in English and Luganda. Sula bulungi, good morning. We looked at those ones in playlist 1. Okay, so sleep tight is sula bulungi. Let's have an example. Sleep tight, patience. Sleep tight, patience. Patience is a name for ladies. So you can say sleep tight, patience. Or sleep tight, John. For instance, sleep tight, Manuel. Okay, so sula bulungi, patience. Sula bulungi, patience. Sula bulungi, John. You put it the name you like. Okay, that is it in this video. But if you like the video, give it a thumbs up icon so that I get more insights of recreating more and more videos. Okay, bye bye. Let's meet up in the next video.